Crypto ATMs in India are kind of like vending machines for Bitcoin. You walk up, punch in some info, insert cash, and boom, you get crypto. Simple, right? But here's the catch, not as simple as it sounds. India has a complicated relationship with cryptocurrency. One day the government says they're open to it. The next day you hear talk of bans and regulations. This back and forth leaves people hesitant, and that's where crypto ATMs enter the chat. From a convenience standpoint, crypto ATMs solve a pretty big pain point. They allow people to skip long verification times of exchanges. No emails, no screenshots for KYC approval. It's just you, cash, and the machine. Now, if you're asking, are there a lot of these ATMs in India? The answer is no. As of today, there are only a handful, primarily in metro cities. So if you're in rural India, good luck finding one nearby. I read about one crypto ATM operator who tried to launch with big ambitions, but they got shut down practically overnight due to unclear legal policies. So, while the concept works in theory, the execution has miles to go. Here's how it works step by step, though, for those lucky enough to find one. First, you select whether you're buying or selling crypto. Buying usually requires cash, whereas selling gets you physical cash output. Next, you scan a QR code linked to your crypto wallet. If this part triggers a "what's a wallet" kind of confusion for you, just imagine it as your crypto saving account. Every transaction ties to this wallet. After that, you confirm the amount of crypto or cash you want to exchange. Fees are often higher than online exchanges, sometimes 5 to 8% per transaction. But remember, you're paying for privacy and convenience, not cheap access. A big pain point with crypto ATMs, however, is liquidity. There's a chance you walk up to one ready to sell Bitcoin, but the ATM doesn't have enough cash to fulfill your request. That's a major bummer when you need quick money. Here's a pro tip. If you plan to use a crypto ATM, check online ahead of time. Most operators let you see availability and limits in real time so you don't waste a trip. Also, carry smaller denominations of cash. People love crypto ATMs for their anonymity. You're not leaving massive trails of data like you do with exchanges, but keep in mind the RBI, India's Reserve Bank, absolutely loathes the idea, which makes these machines regulatory targets. Overall, crypto ATMs are a niche but useful option for Indians delving into crypto. They're like the high-risk, high-reward play. It's not for everyone, but it makes sense for some. Just educate yourself before using one. Simple advice, big payoff.